Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
If you want to profit with ChatGPT and you want to take it to the next level, then you need to upgrade GPT, and the easiest way to do it is with custom chatbots. These let you make money. They let you make upwards of $1,000 per sale. Selling to clients, they let you get traffic. They let you level up with the most powerful AI on the planet. But how can anyone do it? Well, presenting Chatbot AI. The easiest way that anyone can build their own custom chatbots for themselves or for the clients. Now, here's how it works. Step 1. Log into Chatbot AI and build your chatbot. This is a custom, more powerful version of ChatGPT. Step 2. Now that your bot is built, you want to customize it. We've got beta testers who have made thousands of dollars deploying these chatbots in the marketplace. We'll show you exactly how it works and how you can deploy your own custom chatbot for any purpose. Step 3. Now your custom chatbot is live. It's yours. It's ready to get traffic. It's ready to make money. You can sell these custom chatbots to clients and make thousands of dollars. Using this cutting-edge technology, or you can use it on your own websites. We'll give you case studies of how we've made thousands of dollars, both as an affiliate and as a product owner, flipping these secret, ultra-powerful chatbots for massive cash flow influxes. No one else knows about this technology, which uses OpenAI's Assistant GPT model, which is more powerful than GPT-4, more powerful than GPT-4 Turbo, more powerful than any other language model on the planet. This is the only software that gives you access to the GPT Assistant model, and you're getting a huge drop on the competition for 2024 when you get Chatbot AI. So what are you waiting for? Don't you believe AI is the future? Don't you want to level up your profits? If so, you know what to do. Click the button. Join the revolution. Launch your first chatbot. Okay, thanks. Enjoy your new future with the most powerful AI on the planet.
Oh yes, before we go, Check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.